Damien Allen, gyfeiriad John Owen. Chydig bach gormod ar honna. Craig Williams yn gwarchod y bêl a wedi croesi'r llinell. Naddo yn ôl y Llimanwr a John Owen yn crymanu'r bêl yn hyfryd dros ben Dave Jones I gefn y rhwyd ac yn rhoi aber ar y blaen wedi chwarter awr, ond mae Craig Williams yn gandryll. Mae'n grediniol fod y bêl mae wedi mynd allan am dafliad, ond mae wedi croesi'r linell. Nid bai John Owen di hynny. Mae wedi manteisio i'r eitha. Callum Roberts dros y gigrydd ar y droed chwith yn taro'r postyn. Y gŵr ar fenthyg o'r ymwythig, chwarae gêm olau'r Drenewydd. Oedd hwnna wedi bod yn ffordd hyfryd I ffarwelio. Ryan Kershaw fymryn yn y sgeilus yng nghanol cae. Walker at John Owen. Ddau na'n cyfuno'n dda, mae'n ôl gan Declan Walker. Mae'r ongl fymryn yn dyn, ond ddim rhy dyn I Declan Walker. 4 gol ar 10 y tymor I Walker ym mhob cystadleuaeth. 11 yn uwch gyngrau'r Cymru am gyfanswm I gefn o'r de. Mae wedi cael tymor anhygoel. Damien Allen yn troi, yn cicio'r bêl yn syth oddi ar Tom Owens. Mae'n syrthio'n garedig I Ethan Jones. A dim ond un peth ar I feddwl o Ethan Jones ar dan o flaen gol i'r Drenewydd. 6 gol mewn 5 gêm. Gwybod be, mae wrth I fodd yn neud hyn, siap o'i gorff I fynd am y postyn pell yna, gyda'i thynnu hi at y postyn gosa. Ryan Sears yn clirio. Uchel tuag at Ruston, mi wedi ennill y peniad na. Mitchell, a mae yna le gan Ethan Jones. Jones, mae mylyc i'w giro! O, mae Jones yn gwybod, mi oedd hwnna'n gyfle I rhaid. Rhyw Aberystwyth yn edrych ymlaen at y ffeinal yn Hwpan Cymru. Pan wsos nesaf, cyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Ruston a mae'n ôl gan Ruston. O, gol dda i'r Drenewydd, maen nhw'n gyfartal. Wedi 54 o funudau. Mi oedd na wiriad gan Walcott, ond cyffyrddiad yna gan Ruston, y sodliad gan Ethan Jones. Mi oedd hi'n heiddi gol, gwych gan y Drenewydd. Kershaw ymlaen I gyfeiriad Ethan Jones sy'n sgwario. Pêl beryglus I fewn i'r cwrt, Aber yn clirio am y tro. Denny at Ryan Kershaw. O awr di chwarae yma. Kershaw, chwilio mynd rhyw symudiad o'i flaen, ond yn penderfynu mynd I hun, ac am gol gan Kershaw I roi'r Drenewydd ar y blaen. Gol gynta'r tymor I Ryan Kershaw, yn gêm ola'r tymor, ac oedd I werth yr aros. Young ar peniad syth at Fletcher. Ethan Jones rownd y gornel I Nick Ruston yn ergyd yn taro'r trawst. A ddau na'n cyfun o'n effeithiol eto. Ond ar yr un donfedd heno, ond Ruston yn methu taro'r targed tro yma. Sherlock. Aber siomedig fod ar ei hôl I ar ôl bod 2 ddim ar y blaen. Drenewydd, cael trafferth clirio fan hyn. Ryan Wade. Gosod y bêl at Rimmer. Rimmer ergyd a Dave Jones yn arbed yn wych. Bygythiad dal yno, Matthew Jones yn creu lle I groesi, mae'n gwneud hynny. Ryan Wade yn cyrraedd ar peniad I gefn y rhwyd a mae'n gyfartal. Wedi 76 o funudau. Ail gol y tymor I Wade, ond Rimmer ar cynnig cynta. Jones yn arbed y dda tro yna. Ac yna Ryan Wade, peniad rhydd I gefn y rhwyd. Allen yn lledu'r chwarae, Phillips yno. Colli'r meddiant ond yn brwydro I ennill y bêl yn ôl, gwych gan Phillips yn benderfynol. Ac yn creu lle I ergydio, Jones yn arbed ond yn ei gollwng hi. A mae'n gol ar blat I Matthew Jones a mae Aberystwyth yn ôl ar y blaen. Gyda 10 munud yn weddill. Wel oedd Phillips isio'r bêl na'n fwy na'r Drenewydd. Jones yn methu dal ar y bêl a Matthew Jones yn manteisio. Mylyc ar gic ymlaen. O, Phillips rheoli'n hyfryd, mae'n y gyfle eto I Ryan Wade. O, Wade yn sgorio smonach yn yr amddiffyn. A gyda munud yn weddill, Aber di sgorio'r 5. Mae'n glawio goliau'r goedlan y parc am ddiweddglo i'r tymor. Aberystwyth 5, y Drenewydd 3.
Well, Wayne Jones, that's a bit of a crazy game to end the season.
Yeah, most definitely, you know. Obviously, 2-0 up, fairly comfortable. You conceded there right at the end of the first half. And we said half-time, you know, let's see it out the first 10 minutes, manage the game well. That wasn't the case. They came at us, to be fair, and credit to them. But, you know, it's a local derby. you know, end of season game. You know, we're very focused on next week, but in terms of that, you know, we still want to give a good account of ourselves, and you know, we managed to do that in the end.
For 69 minutes, I think it was good. You know, especially after in the second half of that 20-minute period, 25-minute period. I think that's as good as we've been for a long time at my time at the club. And you can see it happening. We missed, I think, 3-4 really good chances, and then you know you do that against good teams and they punish you, and then we've conceded, I think, 3 goals in the space of 10-15 minutes again, and it sums our season up really. That one game, lack of consistency. You know, we went from the good, the bad to the ugly really, and you know when we were good, we were really good, and then you know we were bad, and we were really bad tonight, and you know that's frustrating because you know I felt. Even at half time, we probably had 2 really good chances that we should have taken, and that was the story of our game really. When you're on top, you have to score. We got back to 3-2, probably should have made it 4-2, and then probably the game's over then. But we give Aber a glimmer of hope, and to be fair to them, all credit, they took it, and you know in the end they could have scored a couple more, and you know the game was end to end. You know, like I say, some of the football we played was excellent in that sort of second half spell. We scored 2 goals and should have scored more, but then, you know, like I say, that we got punished for it in the end.
Now then, I can't talk to you without talking about next week. It's a massive game, obviously. You ready for it?
Oh, most definitely. You know, we'll prepare. We know we're going into the game as underdogs. You know, we're fully aware of that. And the most thing, I think we're going to enjoy the occasion. You know, what's to be is to be. But we'll set up right. We'll prep well. You know, we'll have got 3 training sessions in this week. So, you know, we will do things right. And then again, it's on the day, and you know, we've proven we've beaten them 4-2 in the past, you know, our last time we played them. So, you know, it's winnable. It's a case that if we turn up on our A game, we'd be okay.
You talk about you've beaten them once this season. How much of a help will that be to you?
I mean, psychologically, they're a great team. You know, they're full of experience, they're big, they're physical. You know, they're in the league table where they are because they're a good team. We're mindful of that. But I think, you know, with the transition we've had this season, come the end of the season now, you know, we're sort of coming to fruit a little bit. You know, the players are gelling well, so I think it's about how we play our game and what we want to do. And I think, you know, they'll take care of themselves as well.
And hopefully a big crowd from Aberystwyth to go up with it.
Yeah, supposedly I think they're looking at 600-700 travelling is the talk here, which is, you know, to be fair, even in the semi-finals we've had immense support. And I think, you know, the club, to be fair, they need and they deserve, you know, some silverware and a chance possibly to play in Europe.